This is the install video for the Echelon compact magwell. The compact is a little bit different than the full size. Our plug is shaped a little different. The same plug will work on the full size. So once we sell out of the full size plugs, they will all be this shape. So what you want to do, make sure everything's nice and clear. Inside here, not that first hole, but that second hole indent there. This is the small frame, which comes with the compact. This is the medium frame, which we have our magwells ready for the medium frame as well now. It is a specific magwell just for the medium frame, where the small frame is the same magwell as the full size. On the small frame, you can see that that is very close to the surface there. Where on the medium frame, it is close to the surface, but indented just a little bit. And then on the large frame, it is kind of deep in there. So you might need to push that in with a screwdriver or something that you can reach. But on the small frame here, you should be able to reach it. It's, right about in there. Push that in and then pull the back strap down. What you're pushing in is this little flex point here that locks into that square right here. Then you'll take our plug and put it inside of the back strap like that. You want to push it all the way to where it overlaps that flex point there. And then what you'll do is you'll take the pin on that, start it in there, and then get this to go over those rails. So it has the cutouts here and here, so you'll need to line those up like that. And as you're lining that up, our plug will fall into the place of that square, the bottom one closest to the bottom of the frame there. And you can see our plug is nice and flat right there. And then you push this forward to when it locks in. Sometimes they won't just lock in just by pushing. What you should do is grab the frame like this to where you're kind of underneath it, and then squeeze it tight so you're actually pushing it up, and you heard that click where it locked in, and now it's nice and tight. Then take our magwell and slide it in from the front. As it gets to this point, it will have some resistance. You might need to kind of push in the sides of the frame a little bit so that it slides on all the way. And then take the screw that comes with it and then start to feed it in there all the way down. Tighten it up just a little bit, and then it is on there nice and tight. Gives you a nice grip. Works great with our mag extensions. And again, this is the medium frame, which is a little bit different, and we did drop down just a little bit there on the medium frame, because if you're ordering the medium frame, you probably have bigger hands, so that'll give you a nicer spacing there. Where the small frame, I wear extra large gloves, it's just a little bit tight right there, and I can actually flex the magwell down a little bit if I'm gripping hard. Where this one is nice and tight, the magwell flexes down just a little bit if I'm really gripping hard, but for my normal firm grip, it doesn't flex at all. So that is the Echelon compact magwell, and this is our design for the Echelon with our new porting system that we will be switching over to very soon. It runs very well.